Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and without recovery email. So what happens when you try to log into your Gmail account? If you forget your password and you are clicking on forget password and you don't remember your last password and recovery email, don't click on try again and again. If you will try to log into your account again and again, your account will be logged. Google will consider that your account is in danger and somebody is trying to hack your Google account. So your Google account will not be recovered. So now we will show you how you can recover your Google account. So just go to your mail. Now you can open any Gmail. Click on these three bars in the upper left corner. Scroll down. Here you will see last option help and feedback. Click on it, and then here you will see this option send feedback. Last option, click on it. Now here you have to write down this stuff. So after writing this stuff you have to send this one. So here you can see thank you for feedback. Now you have to wait for some time, and then after 48 hours or you will receive an email. You have to open the email and then you will found your account recovery link. You just have to click on the link to reset the password and then your account will be recovered. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.